guys, it's the Frugalista. We are literally getting ready to go out the door to Sleepaway Camp, and we will see you in another week. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
I call this one the Campfire song. Let's gather around the campfire and sing our campfire song. Our CAMPFIRESONG song. And if you don't think that we can sing it faster, then you're wrong. But it'll help if you just sing along.
Hey guys, it's the Frugalista, and what a difference a week can make. A week ago, all of this stuff was packed nice and neat by yours truly, along with my daughter. Now, literally, guys, this is as is. We just pulled this. We pulled up yesterday. I decided to plop it all here. Today, I'm getting ready to wash her clothes. Yeah, it's time to wash her clothes. And I said I just wanted to show you everything that she took for camp. And this might be a good resource for moms who are looking at videos like I did when my daughter went to camp. And the curious part was, I know I saw a lot of packing videos on taking a lot of stuff, but I really wanted to know what the child actually used. So yeah, let's get started. First things first, my camp gave us a parent handbook that had a suggested list and had optional items. One of the optional items to use was this 3-drawer plastic container. You guys have seen those before. I picked ours up from Big Lots. I think I paid $17 and change for it, so not bad. And Mirabella wanted to decorate hers. As you can see, she has little stickers. Went to the Dollar Tree and picked up a few stickers. This one has Girl Boss on it. Okay, so she decorated that before she left. This is from the brand Dollar Decorator, and this might be a Greenbrier, which is actually the Dollar Tree item. But check out Dollar Tree for little stickers if you wanted to decorate those. Another item that she was allowed to bring, and they told us that would be better than bringing actual luggage, is a big storage bin. The Frugalista had this one for free. I'm not sure how many gallons this is, but it's a pretty big storage bin. I'll show you guys how it looks. Okay, so that's what everything was contained in. We took a storage bin and that, okay? The first thing I think I want to start with are her dirty clothes. Yeah, I need to get these in the washer. So we'll start with, of course, she took a hand towel and she took a bath towel. So this is her towel set. I'm getting ready to wash that now. She took a beach towel. Get ready to wash that now. And I'm assuming all of these are her dirty clothes. Yeah, that's a given. So she took a mesh bag that she put all her dirty clothes in. Now I decided to store Mirabella's clothes and use the Ziploc storage method. You guys know about that method. It's where Mirabella stayed in camp for 6 days. So I packed her actually 7 outfits in the plastic storage bags. I actually picked up my bags from Dollar Tree also. And looks like she went through her 7th bag and used some shorts maybe. But I put everything that she needs in one bag. So when she goes to the shower, she just picks up a bag for the day. I know a lot of moms actually use the stickers for each day. Mirabella's 7th grade. She can pick out what she wants. You can see through the bags and actually see what you want to wear. But again, just a t-shirt, socks, underwear, bra, and shorts in that bag. And then I did a bag for her PJs. So as we can see, this needs to be cleaned also. She took 2 pair of PJs. And this one looks like it was worn. I sent her with 2 garbage bags. I see one here, just a regular garbage bag. They must have used one. We'll see. I sent her with 2 beach towels. She never used this one, so technically I could have just sent her with one, okay? So this is her 2nd beach towel. Yeah, it's still clean, but we will clean that. She took a journal with her to write with. Here is a bag that the first thing that we put in, I see that she didn't use, was her first aid kit. I picked this up from Five Below. Now, if you ask me, would I pack this again? It was a good thing she didn't have to use this, but to me, it's better safe than sorry. Just because she didn't use it does not mean I would not pack a first aid kit. She picked some playing cards. I'm not sure if she played cards or not, but she had those just in case. And this is the actual bag. We got this from Five Below also. It has Aloha on it. Cute little Ziploc bag. But she had all of her hair ties in this. A little handheld mirror. And more stationery. Mirabella got to write letters. So we sent her with one stamp. And this little stationery kit has some scissors. It also has a few little cards for her to write home. And here's a couple of numbers that she got from her little friends at camp, because they weren't allowed to have cell phones and things like that. And Mirabella took some sunglasses. Yeah, these were used because look, they're filthy. It's got sand all over them. So that's one pair of sunglasses she took. Here are two shirts that Mirabella purchased in the camp store. Now, we had an opportunity to put money on Mirabella's books. We put a total of $25. And she looks like she picked up two shirts, two camp shirts. I thought these were cute. Now, if you guys didn't check out the video, we did a Target run right before Mirabella was to go to camp. She picked up two books. And this one does not look like she started that one. She is reading the other book that she picked up. So probably only take one book for a week in camp, especially because these were big chapter books. She didn't use that. These are facial cleansing towelettes. I thought this would be good because it was so hot, and sometimes you know how you just want to refresh yourself. But it looks like she didn't really use these. It looks like she might have used one. I did see her in one of the pictures in this. This is a scarf. And it's so funny, she didn't want to actually take anything denoting 4th of July, but this scarf, it's an infinity scarf. Looks like she wore that because it was on one of the photos. So if your camper is doing a holiday, or if your camp has theme nights, it would be probably nice to take something relatable to that theme. Now, our camp had a system in place from the company bunk1.com, which was really cool. We were able to correspond with our daughter, meaning you had to set up an account, pay a small fee in order to hear from her whenever you wanted to. Now, the funny thing about it, director said that, you know, the children were really, really busy and they have to kind of make them write to the parents. The first note we sent to Mirabella, she sent us a note back immediately. And then the second note we sent Mirabella, as you can see, there was nothing. But it's a real cool system where they use like a barcode. Of course, you need a flashlight. So this is flashlight number 1. Here are her swimming goggles. I remember her using those in one of the pictures. And here are her swimming shoes that we picked up from Five Below. But she says she didn't find them until the last day of camp. And guess what? They've never been used. So perhaps maybe no swim shoes. But I don't know why she didn't find them, because they were maybe they got stuck in between something. But anyway, so maybe an optional item are the water shoes. Next, we're going to go into her big storage bin, how we transported everything there. Let's look and see. Of course, she took her pillow. And inside the bin, Mirabella had this full of snacks. All of her snacks, she was allowed to bring snacks, had to be in an airtight sealed container. Mirabella had a battery-operated 10-inch portable fan. Ooh. So she had a battery fan. I would suggest that especially when it's hot, because I think she was the only somebody in her cabin who bought a fan, and everybody was making good use of it. Now, we sent Mirabella to camp with 2 pair of flip-flops just in case one of these broke. I see 3 shoes here. And here's her other shoe. She had to bring her own sheets, which needs to be washed immediately. Surprised I'm even bringing this in here. And then she took 2 blankets because it does get cold at night. So those are 2 blankets that will be washed. Actually, she took 3 blankets. I didn't realize that. This little stuffed animal came with her pajama set. I'm not sure if she used him or not, but a little cute stuffed animal. And I actually sent her also with her, with a, what do you call this thing? What is this thing? Mattress pad. Yeah, a mattress pad. Okay. Needs to be laundered. Here is her fitted sheet for her sheet set. And this was a kind of period emergency kit, which she did not use or did not need. One of my biggest fears was her period coming on for the first time away from mommy, which it didn't. But this is her little period kit. So again, she didn't use it, but to me, better safe than sorry. Always takes some sanitary products just in case. You never know. Even if you haven't started your cycle, little girls, you might start it that week and you want to be prepared. Now this is a mommy-ism. She did need these, okay. I was worried about her because guys, it was so hot. It was so hot. I actually went back and bought her batteries. They were on sale at my shop, right? Next, let's go through her shower caddy. Of course, when she left, I had everything nice and neat and organized in here, but this is as is how she bought it home. Of course, she needed her toothpaste and her toothbrush. Her toothbrush came from the Dollar Tree, the little travel size. Her mouthwash also came from Dollar Tree. She kept her bug spray in this. Now, as you can see, Mirabella's bug spray is on that line. So she didn't use a lot of bug spray, and she did not come home with a lot of bug bites. Now, I'm going to tell you guys what does work for mosquitoes. These Buggables mosquito repellent bands. We picked ours up from BitLocks, but I've seen these in Dollar Tree. They work. She wore this the entire time she was there and only came home with one mosquito bite, and Mirabella is a mosquito magnet. Get these, they work. Here are some Lysol disinfectant wipes. Now, I think she did use them. Yeah, it looks like she used those. I'm not sure how many she used. She can tell you that. Here is a hair tie that is wet. Here is her little shower poof. Mirabella has two types of soap she must use because she has very sensitive skin. So her body wash is missing from this. So we did pack her a body wash along with her bar soap. And her bar soap is being housed in this little item that I picked up from Target. And I thought this would be neat because guess what? It kept the bar soap dry, and I think that really worked. Okay, it's just a little soap caddy, so it dries and not get all mushy and yucky here, which is really good. So that did work. Okay, here is some her lotion. This is baby lotion in this one. Here's Mirabella's deodorant. Another hair tie. This is conditioner. Mirabella wore her hair in braids, and because they did a lot of swimming in an open lake, you know, I wasn't able to wash her hair every night, but I did want her to put conditioner on it and just send water through it just to kind of get any, you know, debris or sand out of her hair, which when I washed her hair last night, she did pretty good. So she did use her conditioner. Here is some Lysol disinfectant spray to go that I used, that I packed for her to use. I'm not sure if she used it or not because I wasn't able to help her put her stuff in her room like I thought I was. And I would have really went to town with Lysol, but guess what? I think she might have used it. You guys can double check with her, or I'll leave it here if she used it or not. But I think that's a good thing to take just in case. I was so curious to see if this fresh drop actually worked, and guess what? It does. Mirabella took this to camp with her and started using it in her bathroom, and I said, well, does it work? And guess what? I tried it. It works. All you have to do is put in a drop before you do your do, and you are guaranteed no smell. I'm going to pick up a few more of these guys. Another hair tie. Her floss. She used that. And another hair tie, and that is it for her shower caddy that she borrowed from her sister. Now the last thing is her little knapsack that I'm calling it. This stayed with her throughout the entire time she was at the camp. They definitely suggested one of these. They didn't say a backpack because backpacks are really heavy. You want something light, so this was with her at all times. We picked her this up from Nordstrom's Rack. It's just by the Nike brand. I think I might have paid $9 for it. In a cute little color. Here's her little sanitizer. As you can see, it was new when we bought it, so she used about that much. Okay, so she did use that. She just had that hanging from her knapsack at all times. Here is a sweatshirt that they suggested using from her sister's college. That was used, that needs to be washed, because they did a lot of stuff at nighttime. They suggested a poncho, and look what, it looks like it's been open. I'm not sure if she used that or not, but it's good to have a poncho. This is just a little note. Okay, that's a note from her director. Here is a t-shirt that she must have thrown in there when she was going swimming. Here's her other flashlight. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Another must-have, a water bottle, especially doing a heat wave. My baby went to camp in the summer, and this green one is the one she actually took. The camp provided, you know, cool water, but they have all kinds of water bottles now, guys. So Mirabella had to have water, and she actually took the green one. And she also bought a few of these on-the-go juice mixes because her camp only serves water and milk. This is her little just-in-case period package that she did not get to use, but just in case, she had a few pants in here along with a few panty liners, just in case. So that stayed with her all the time. Here are some more sunglasses, 4th of July type. Okay. Yep. That looks cute in the hair also. Hey, that matches my outfit, right? Yep. And I'm not sure what this is. Looks like they made slime. Okay, we'll have to ask her about that. Not sure. She had a pack of gum. Here's a glow stick that they must have used at nighttime for the fireworks. And there's the rest of her gum that we put in a small Ziploc bag. And that is it, guys. Happy summer to you, moms. It's going to be okay. If this is your child's first time going away to summer sleepaway camp, let me know in the description below. Again, it's going to be okay. Yes. Mirabella did fine, and so did we. After day 3, I think I was okay. Yeah. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.